Hey, hi YouTube, it's Alex here with Alex's Creative Life. Welcome. Listen, I'm downtown today in Byron Bay and I have just been to Aldi, and today on their special buys they had this outdoor cast iron camp cook kit for 99 bucks, which I thought was a freaking bargain because you could buy a camp oven for 100 bucks, so I thought that's worth it. So we'll see. It could all be horrible. I've had a bit of a look inside. It's bloody heavy, but I'm interested in maybe one or two parts of it, and then maybe I'll just use the other parts at home. So I'm pretty pumped about having a look and seeing what you get for 100 bucks from Adventure Ridge in a nice wooden box. Probably not going to use it all, as I say, but I'm definitely keen to learn more about camp cooking and gourmet camp cooking, because that's what I'm keen to do and that's what I'm keen to share. So love campfire, love being around it, so I think this is a definite next graduation on for Alex's Creative Life. So yeah, we'll keep checking that out and we'll speak soon. Hi, welcome to Alex's Creative Life, and today I'm going to be unpacking this Adventure Ridge cast iron camp cook set from Aldi. So it was 99 bucks. It looks pretty good to me. I'm really interested in this camp oven, and I've got my fire going and I'm going to give it a bit of a test out and see how it goes to show you guys. So let's have a look. What's first things first? Bit of a user guide. Cool. That in more detail. This. Oh. Great. That looks like the thing for scooping the lids off of the different pots. Things need to be assembled. All right, here's the bad boy. What's this one? Got a little box here. This looks interesting. Just get the trusty Raptor. This is an awesome tool. This is the Leatherman Raptor. This is a great tool for this type of thing. Ah, nice. Little camp kettle. With some kind of strainer in it for billy tea. That's awesome. We'll be able to cook up a nice brew on that later and see how that works. Sliding down the back here, we've got a small cast iron, pretty decent weight handle and pan, so that's going to go really well. Yeah, looks good. And then we've got a nice bigger one here, and that's also not bad, a little bit thin maybe, but not too heavy. Yeah, pretty good. And then, oh, here's the big guy. So we've got the camp lid here, and that's what you pile your coals onto, and that's going to be awesome. And then this is the actual camp oven itself. Oh, it's got legs. Oh cool, I didn't think it's going to have legs. So this allows you to get it off the ground and put the coals under, and then pop your lid on and then coals on top. Actually, good size, definitely a good size. So that would be able to cook up some good feasts right there. What else we got? Now this is an awesome piece of kit. This is the double jaffle iron. That's what these are for. Let's have a look at that. Screw those in. Pretty easy. Yeah, not too bad. It feels a bit flimsy, to be honest, and the seal doesn't look amazing, but it might be enough to do the job. We'll have to wait and see. What else have we got in the box? Lucky last is this, which is also another pretty cool item. So this is a griddle, which actually is great. It's a good size, it's pretty lightweight, and it's not too bad. So, and you get this nice big box to store everything in, and so that's it, guys. So you've got the griddle, the pan, the big camp oven, 2 pots, a lid hook for $100. Pretty good. All right, let's get started with some cooking. Got these camp oven unboxed, and I've got some eggplants, some potatoes, some onions, some cabbage. I've got that all mixed in here, and it's pretty basic, but I'm doing a vegetarian bit of a stew. So this is what's going in next. I've got some organic black beans. I'm just going to whack those in there like that. They're going to be fierce. I'm going to give that a little squidge. Soy, salt, and joy. All the goodness. Got sesame oil, which gives it that really good flavour. Going to give a good squidge of that. And then I've got some of the nice chipotle, so I'm going to hit in with a bit of chipotle, give it a bit of barbecue smoky flavour as well, and a bit of olive oil. Always use a bit of extra virgin, it's all good. And then Jimmy's satay sauce is really super tasty. It's not strictly vegetarian, but you know, I'm going to go anyway. It's a Malaysian satay sauce, which is unbelievable. It's packed full of flavour, it's super tasty and super delicious. So I'm just going to mix this around, get that all juiced up so it's looking nice and fierce and delicious. And then this is the secret weapon. This is the secret chili sauce that I make from my own chilies in my own garden. So I'm just going to give a little few drips of that to give it a little bit of spice. A little bit of spice, a little bit of flavour. And then a bit of juice, amber nectar. It's always a tragedy when you pour beer into food, but it's going to be alright. So the idea is all of that goes into the pot. I'm going to pop that on top. I've got this little guy over here, which I prepared, but I'm not entirely sure it's going to work perfectly. So we're going to take some cloves. Then the camp oven goes directly over those coals like that. And then put those onto the lid. It's not that hard, this timber, so we'll have to see how it goes, but that's just going to need to sit and be left until it builds up the heat and gets really ready. This is the first attempt of cooking with the bargain Aldi special buy camp oven, and so far I'm pretty pleased. And I've got some barbecue ribs going on, the grill, which is pretty cool. So this is gonna open this up, have a little look. So we've got some veggies, everything's bubbling away, and actually it looks pretty good. Got good heat in there, nice. Everything's nice and soft. Yum. The ribs and this little plate is working really well. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased. We'll have to see how it goes. We're going to do some work with the pan, and we're going to make some jaffles with the jaffle iron as well. So we'll see how those work. That will be for next time. All right, well, thanks for watching, and check you next time on Alex's Creative Life.